Okay, we're going to start blending a beginning and a middle together. Notice that our ending sound is way over on the end because I don't want to put it together yet. Just like on our wheel, we want to put these two together and say ba. The B was a quick sound, b, and remember the vowel was more long, ah. So we can keep stretching it out as long as we need to. Ba. Your eyes have a chance to look over here, and when your eyes are done looking, we want to say the sound bag. So you want to think of these two as being together and then tag this one on the end. Bag. Let's go to the next one. We're going to think of ba. Bag. Beg. And now it is beg. Let's go to the next one. Think of these two together. Big. 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 That's called blending. Let's go to the next one. Remember, these two together. Ba. Bog. Bog. Bug. Now, out of those words, let's read them again, but faster. And let's see if they're a real word or a nonsense word. This one is bag. Is a bag a real word? How about the next one? Beg. Beg. Is that a real word? Do dogs beg at your dinner table? That's a real word. Okay, next one. Big. 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 Is that a real word? Bog. That's a real word. If you know what a swamp is, or like a yucky, sticky pond, that would be like a bog. Kinda. How about this? Bug. Is a bug a real word? All right. I want to change my beginning letter and see if we can do this with a different beginning letter. What if I put these two together and then we add this one on? Rag. Is a rag a real word? We clean things with a rag. How about this? Reg. Reg? Is that a word? I wouldn't say so. I would say that is a nonsense word. Nonsense means that's made up. How about this? Rig. Rig? Is that a word? It is. It's the name of an action, like when you gather things, maybe. And it's the name of an 18-wheeler truck, you could say. Rig. Big rig. How about rog? Is rog a real word or nonsense? Nonsense. We've got one more with the R. Rug. Is rug a real word? Yes. Now, I'm going to play a trick on you. I'm going to put a new ending, because when we read our nonsense words, they're going to change the endings on us, and they're going to be sneaky, but I think they're not going to trick us. What if I have a W for our beginning? What will this be now? Remember to put these two together first. This middle vowel, you can stretch it out with your air and keep your voice going until you are ready for the end. So we can say wab. And the word is wab. Is that a real word or nonsense? Wab. I think that's nonsense. Let's go to the next one. Do these two first in your head. Web. Web. Is web a real word? Yes. It is. Spiders make webs, don't they? How about this one? Wib. Wib. Is wib a real word, or is that nonsense? Nonsense. Wob. Wob. What do you think? Real word or nonsense? Nonsense. Our last one for our practice. Wub. Wub. Real or nonsense? Nonsense. All right, you did good today. Parents, you have an idea of how we practice doing our nonsense word reading. Definitely have your child practice the first two together. Our nonsense words on our Dibbles test will only have 3 letters of consonant, vowel, consonant word. So you can make up your own cards, arrange them, see how quickly your child can figure out how to read the nonsense words. Okay, good luck.